All right, let's start today with a banger. It's the fan favorite on my channel, JASMY coin. So JASMY coin right now is at 1.2 cents. I've been saying it's going to a penny for weeks now. I think that's exactly where we're headed. I don't think there's any way around it. Even if Bitcoin doesn't lose 36.2 or 37K, I still think we go much lower. With the last daily candle close yesterday, we can move the fibs down a little bit because every time there's a daily candle close, I'll move them down. Right now, the 236 is at 3.1 cents. I think a daily candle close above that would confirm the bottom is in, but I don't think we're going to get rally up until we go down to a penny. We might get a wick below it. I don't see us losing a penny. I showed you guys this yesterday because last time you hit a penny, you had a small rally all the way. That was not a small rally. It was up to 7.8 cents. That's like a 700% move. Then the next time you hit a penny, you had a little bit of a move up to 3 cents. That's still 300% move. And then you had this parabolic move that took us almost to 40 cents, which is a 4,000% move to the upside. Now that's also because it was listed on Coinbase and everything. But a penny's a super strong support is what I'm trying to get at. You had 3 strong bounces there, and hopefully you can get another one because if you break a penny, it's going to go to oblivion and go probably next to zero, like a tenth of a penny, a quarter of a penny. I don't see that happening. I've heard some word around town and some people commenting and DMing me about this that after March 11th, it should go back up. But that is not, I'm not taking that to heart or anything. This is not financial advice. I'm just saying I think a penny is going to be super strong support, and we might be around that price around March 11th. So, and if we do go down to a penny, then the 236 would be at 3 cents. So a daily candle close above 3 cents would confirm the bottom is in at that point. But as of right now, the 236 is at 3.1 cents. So I'm going to just backtrack on that. All right, so let's look at the RSI and see how that's looking. Right now, I'm bearish on it short term, but I do think long term, if you get strong about the penny, it's going to go way, way up and have a strong rally. Especially Bitcoin can make a higher high above $46,000. All right, so right now the RSI on the daily chart for JASMY is at 13.3. That is the all-time low, so it's really oversold. I mean, it's really oversold on the daily chart. The 3-day chart, I think, is way higher. But it's still really oversold on the 3-day chart because anything below 30 is oversold. It's at 20, almost 23 right now, and going down. If we go to the smaller time frames, like the 6-hour chart, that's still at 20. So all time frames really are oversold. The 1 hour is actually at 42, so that's neutral. And the 15-minute last time frame I'll look at is currently at 52. So smaller time frames, I guess, are neutral, but larger time frames are very, very oversold, which tells me we're really close to a bottom. And also, when I go to look at this is another indicator I use called the GAN fans, the 12-hour chart. That is saying that we're going up. Very rarely on the 12-hour chart, anything higher, do you get a signal. Last time you got a signal that we were bearish was the all-time high, and you have not had a signal since until just now. And that was, like I said, the 2nd of November. And now you're getting a buy signal now. So I would say the bottom's probably in. Let me go to the 18-hour chart and see if the GAN fans are also bullish on the 18-hour chart, because the higher time frames that it's bullish on, that's more likely that the bottom's actually here. 18-hour chart is also saying that you're at a bottom. And let me go to, yeah, I guess that's it. I could do that. I'm going to also, wait. Well, I wanted to see the 23-hour chart to see how close we were to a bottom, but might not be able to do that with that thing there. Anyways, that's okay. If it's bullish on the 18-hour chart, that's telling me we're probably at the bottom. So the next target to the upside is basically that 3.1 cent level. If you break that, you have the 382, which is at 4.2 cents. And like I said, at a penny, that anything below a penny is really bearish. I'd have to break out the fibs to see where our next target would be below a penny. You did have a wick down to 8.6, so that'd probably be the next stop below a penny. If you don't hold that. But if you don't hold the penny, I don't expect you to hold the wicks right below a penny, way back here on the 2nd of July of 2021. So if you don't hold the penny, I think you go below 8/10 of a penny. But I don't see, if this coin has a chance to go long term, it can't lose a penny, in my opinion. That's the last line in the sand. I mean, because it went from 34 cents to a penny, that's like a 95% drop. So with that being said, that's all I got. I do think a penny gets hit, and then I think you get a strong bounce. If you want to be really safe, wait for the bounce, and then buy it when you close the daily candle above 3.1 cents. This is not financial advice. If you guys are new, I appreciate the like and subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you guys in the next update.